I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, Jessica here. I'm here to tell you about Ericeir Beach in Portugal, one of the best places for surfing in the world. It's a beautiful little corner of the world that, if you have the chance, you definitely need to experience for yourself. But for now, I wanted to take you on a walking tour and let you experience everything Ericeir Beach has to offer. So get your boards and put on your wetsuits, it's time to explore. Before we head out, I want to ask you to please like this video and be sure to write a comment below, as this not only helps us out here, but it also shows YouTube how much you appreciate this content. When you first approach the beach, you can feel the energy in the air. Surfers and paddleboarders of all ages and levels, raring to head out into the ocean and reap the rewards of their hard work. We stroll along the beach, where you can take in the sights of shells and seagulls lining along the shore, with waves crashing in and out. We watch a beginner stand-up paddleboarder slowly make their way with an instructor, learning the basics of the sport and having a whole lot of fun. The beach is a hub for both novice and advanced surfers who are out to have a good time and make the most of the great atmosphere. You can see friends helping each other adjust their boards, seasoned surfers showing off their tricks, and newbies with a look of excitement and nerves. In the distance, you can make out the lighthouse, which leads the way to the sea. We make our way over to the lagoon, which offers great protection for those just starting out, and we watch as friends chat and paddle out into the water. When the sun starts setting, we make our way to the beachside cafes and restaurants to enjoy a well-earned drink and discuss our day's experiences. As a surfer, Ericeir Beach is an incredible place. From the stunning sights to the amazing atmosphere, it's a paradise for those looking to get out into the waves. So if you get the chance, be sure to check it out. I guarantee you won't regret it.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!